Class 6 NSO 2017 Set A question number 41. Read the statements regarding the given food web and select the option that consists of all correct statements. This is the food web and let's analyze. Statement number 1. There are 7 interconnected food chains in the given food web. Is it? Yes, there are 7 food chains. That is, plant is going as food to grasshopper, and grasshopper is going as food to frog, and frog is going as food to snake. That is one. And second chain is plant is going as food to grasshopper, grasshopper is going as food to lizard, and lizard is going as food to snake. And third chain is plant is going as food to grasshopper, and grasshopper is going as food to lizard, and lizard is going as food to fox. And fourth chain is plant is going as food to rat, and rat is going as food to snake. And fifth chain is plant is going as food to rat, and rat is going as food to fox. And sixth food chain is plant is going as food to rabbit, and rabbit is going as food to fox. And seventh food chain is plant is going as food to rabbit, and rabbit is going as food to snake. I have written down the 7 food chains, and here it is. And the second statement is snake and fox serve as top consumers in the given food web. Is it true? Yes. Snake and fox serve as top consumers. This is correct, and this is also correct. How? Because snake is feeding on frog, lizard, rat and rabbit, and fox is also feeding on rat and rabbit. So they are top consumers. So this statement is also correct. Next, snake serves as primary, secondary as well as tertiary consumers in the given food web. Is that true? No. Snake serves as only tertiary consumers. Since snake is a omnivore, it feeds on secondary consumers as well as primary consumers. That is, it feeds both on carnivores and herbivores. And snake is not a primary or secondary consumer. So this statement is incorrect. So what is primary consumer first of all? The consumers, the insects which feed on plants, that is herbivores, grasshopper, rat and rabbit are primary consumers. What are secondary consumers? The carnivores which feed on herbivores are secondary consumers, that is fox and snake. So since snake is an omnivore, it's a tertiary consumer alone. So the statement is incorrect. Statement 4. If population of rat and rabbit are removed from this community, then population of snake and fox will equally affected negatively. Is it? No. If rat and rabbit are removed, they will not die in hunger. They have alternative food. Snake has alternative food such as frog and lizard, and not rabbit and rat alone. And fox also has feeds on grasshopper. So it is also not solely reliant on rat and rabbit. So this statement is also incorrect because they will not be negatively affected and they have alternative food source. And statement 5. There are 4 primary consumers and 2 secondary consumers in the given food web. Is that true? How many primary consumers are there? That is, the consumers, the insects which feed on herbivores, primary consumers. How many? Grasshopper, rat, rabbit, 3. But here it is given as 4 primary consumers. So it is incorrect. And 2 secondary consumers is correct. Fox and snake. But there are 4 primary consumers is incorrect because there are only 3 primary consumers, grasshopper, rat and rabbit. Statement 6. If the population of top consumers are removed from this food web, then population of all primary consumers of web will decline. Is that true? If the population of top consumers, which are top consumers here? Snake and fox, because snake feeds on frog and lizard and rat and rabbit, and fox is also feeding on rabbit and rat. So these are top consumers. If these snake and fox are removed, then the primary consumers, grasshopper, rat and rabbit population will increase only and it will not decline. Here it is given, if they are the primary top consumers are removed, the primary consumers of population will decline, they have given. So the statement is incorrect. Rather, their population will increase. So they have asked how many statements are correct. Right? Select the option that consists of all correct statements. So statement 1 and 2 are only correct statements in this question. So option C, statement 1 and 2 is the answer.